In this video, we discuss a next chemical reaction of diazinon salt, that is a Ball-Schiemann reaction. In this reaction, diazinon salt get converted into aryl fluorides. Okay. Sometimes it's said that the Ball-Schiemann reaction is a conversion of aryl amines, primary one, into aryl fluorides via diazotization. Okay, so you will get both. The conversion of diazinon salt into the aryl fluoride is also called Ball-Schiemann reaction, or you will get this statement also, conversion of aryl amines into aryl fluorides via diazotization, meaning both meanings are same. Okay, so what we have to do in this reaction? In this reaction, we have to take a diazinon salt. So diazinon salt is, we have drawn this structure, N2 positive, X minus. This is a diazonium salt. It reacts with HbF4, fluoroboric acid. Then there is the formation of new product, diazonium fluoroborate, N plus triple bond N, BF4 minus. Okay, this is a diazonium fluoroborate, or we can say that tetrafluoroborate. This diazonium tetrafluoroborate in the next step on heating get decomposed. This diazinon fluoroborate on heating get decomposed, and we get our product, that is a fluorobenzene with the evolution of nitrogen gas and with the byproduct boron trifluoride. So this is a Ball-Schiemann reaction, where we can say that when fluoroboric acid is added to diazonium salt, it gives diazonium fluoroborate, which on heating decompose to aryl fluoride plus nitrogen gas and the boron trifluoride. Okay, so this is a Ball-Schiemann reaction. Okay, and we have to remind that Ball-Schiemann reaction, it is a process in which we prepare aryl fluorides, okay, from the diazonium salt. Next, the mechanism of this reaction. We have to discuss the mechanism. So mechanism is we taking first benzene, diazonium salt, X minus. Okay, it first reacts with fluoroboric acid, HbF4, fluoroboric acid. Okay, now this fluoroboric acid gives a H plus, so this H plus goes to this X minus. Okay, and there is the removal of HX. Okay, now remaining part is this BF4, which carries a negative charge. So this BF4 attracts towards this positive charge nitrogen, and we get in the next step diazonium fluoroborate, N positive, nitrogen twice, BF4 minus. Okay. Now in the next step, when we heated this one, it get decomposed, and after decomposition, this nitrogen takes these electrons on it. Okay, so electron goes to nitrogen from the benzene, so we get in the next step benzene with a positive charge, and when this nitrogen takes this electron, the charge on the nitrogen get removed, so BF4 minus also separated from the nitrogen, so we get here N2 gas plus BF4 minus. Okay, in the next step, this BF4 I write here BF3 and F. This BF4 removes the F minus ion and converted into neutral molecule boron trifluoride. Okay, so this F minus from this BF4 attacks to the benzene ring, and here we get fluorobenzene, and here we get fluorobenzene. So this is the mechanism of Ball-Schiemann reaction. So what we have to remind in this reaction, in the Ball-Schiemann reaction, from the diazinon salt we can prepare a aryl fluoride.